Capture tasks at the speed of thought with Todoist. It's designed to be your mind's best friend, instantly organizing tasks in natural language. Todoist lets you stay organized and focused. Sort tasks into today, upcoming, or create custom filters for easy access. With Todoist, simplify your planning effortlessly. Schedule due dates, visualize your week in a calendar view, and set recurring tasks seamlessly. It's not just for you, it's a collaborative hub for your team. Share space for collaboration while managing personal tasks separately. Join countless users who've achieved mental clarity and productivity with Todoist. Don't just take our word for it, here are satisfied customers. Discover how Todoist can reshape your task management today. Experience the power of organized productivity. Take action, and try Todoist now. Unlock your full potential in task management today.